Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account name on PC. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to change your Gmail or Google account name on PC, go to this webpage, accounts.google.com, then press enter. It's going to load into your Google account settings. Now, if you're signed into more than one account, you need to click on your profile icon up here. Then you need to scroll down. Then you need to select the account where you want to change the name. Once you have the right account selected, you can click on personal info. And then if you scroll down, you'll find your name listed here. If you click on that, you can then click on this pencil icon here, which will open up this box, and you can change your first name or your last name, and you can change this to whatever you like. I'll just change this to memory how to, then click on save. And then if I click on back and I scroll down, my name on this Google account will now be changed. So that's how you can quickly change your Gmail account name on PC. And if you got any value out of this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.